My name is Beth Wilson. I use she, her pronouns. And I am a visual artist creating this nest. It is called Nest of Nettles, sitting with my pioneer ancestry. So in coming out here and trying to listen to the land to decide what it was that I wanted to propose for the Terra Incognita show. And what I kept coming up against was this new understanding of mine that I am an uninvited guest on this land as a white-bodied person. And that just kept coming up. And then seeing these lovely patches of nettles and knowing that they were used in so many different ways, and we have deemed them weeds, it felt like a natural connection to sit in that discomfort of being an uninvited guest, and also with a plant that is so sacred that we just see as a nuisance. So I first started coming out here, I think it was just in like March, right around, and then when things were just starting to grow, and I found an area that was naturally filled with nettles, and I kind of created a circle. I pulled some of the plants out of a center area and started to identify the space for the nest. And then I allowed the nettles to grow for a while. I collected nettles from other areas. And then I created an armature with wire and some paper. And then I just started, and I created that armature right here. So I included some of the plants. And then I started adding the stripped nettle stalks to the outside as a way to use their really strong fibers. And I just have kept adding and adding. Right now I'm adding some grass. And then the inside is all of these antique laces. So some of them are from my Aunt Lillian and my great Aunt Gladys. Some of them I found at estate sales. But all of them to me have that same sentiment of that pioneer woman, that comfort, that safety that was so important, that work ethic. And somehow in the shredding and the reweaving of the materials, I am processing that history for myself.